beautiful souls. Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Janice and welcome to Justjanicejourneys. Today's video is a big milestone in our homestead journey. We are finally installing a proper bathroom in our guest house. We all remember how it looked like before, right? Today, we will be installing a vanity, we'll be installing tiles, and we'll also be setting up some 2 toilets. So come along, let's make this space functional and beautiful. Now, before we get started, let me give you a little backstory. Since we started our homestead journey in 2023, we have never had a washroom or a toilet on site. Crazy, right? I know. You see, the first thing people put up in their space, especially here in Kenya, even before they start any construction, is ensuring they have dug a pit latrine and built a makeshift store. Well, we took a different route. And yes, it has not been an easy journey not having a toilet on site. For months, we had to rent a house for our construction crew nearby where they could sleep and just use a toilet. But thankfully, our amazing neighbors who were also building at the time let us use their pit latrine when there was a need to do so. Yes, we also did help them in one way or the other. What's the lesson we learned in this? Be good to your neighbors, people. Be good, because a little kindness goes a long way. But just don't take advantage of them. So yes, now you know why today's project means so much to me. Now let's get started. When we were choosing the vanity, we wanted something that was modern, so we went with a modern floating design to help save on space and to also give this small space that sleek look. And so the first thing we did, just after after measuring and marking the wall, then the plumber went on ahead to secure the mounting brackets, which is also very important to ensure the stability of the vanity. And so make sure that whenever you are installing a vanity, make sure you leave enough space for those plumbing connections. Because at the end of the day, nobody wants to deal with issues of leakages. Another key advice that we actually came to notice, or we came to learn from this experience, is that, guys, you really need to supervise your construction crew, especially during the plastering phase, because sometimes they can plaster, but when they're dealing with these delicate areas where you have the plumbing pipes, especially the waste pipes, sometimes they can end up, pouring wet cement into the waste pipe, and then when it dries up, it blocks, such that when you try to maybe flush your toilet, or when you try to release water from your sink, it does not go. So guys, watch out during the plastering phase. Make sure you block the waste pipes properly. For us, we blocked using a sack, but then somehow, I don't know what happened, but it's like the plastering guys pushed the sack inside and also ended up pouring cement inside the waste pipe. And yeah, we had up, having to hack on the outside of the wall, just to ensure that he could access the the waste pipe, and check what was happening and fix it up. Now, when it comes to the tiling, we decided to get some gorgeous matte finish ceramic tiles, just to have a clean and durable look. We also wanted something that was chill, something cool, that something that does not draw too much attention. So a tip that I would give you when you are installing tiles, or when you get someone to install your tiles, kindly make sure they use spacers, because spacers helps to keep everything even and in line. And finally, we finished up working on this space through toilet installation, whereby we wanted something that was water efficient. So we ended up getting this simple toilet. Uh, I think they call it is it a closed couple toilet? Yes, the cistern and the toilet are attached together. And finally, test your toilet, flush it, and make sure that there are no leaks. And that's it. So that's it for today, guys. Kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. So let's take a look at the final outcome. Huge transformation, right? Let me know in the comment section. Bye.